In the summer of 2021, Devil's Details Diecast issued a challenge to create a Ghostbusters Ecto vehicle from something other than a 1959 Cadillac ambulance. Despite vowing no more challenges for the year, Flying Valiant's love of the franchise made such an offer impossible to resist. Now, faced with a looming deadline, hours of footage, and a pending mental breakdown, he must do the unthinkable. Postpone the full build video. So punch that subscribe button. Ring the bell. Hold on to your seat and get ready for the preview of one of the most frustrating builds in Flying Valiant history, as Chuck takes this 50-cent flea market find from Game Over to Ready Player One. Ecto 88, coming soon to YouTube players everywhere.